the trees, a quiet melody. Nature hums in soft tranquility. The world grows still, the noise drifts away, and peace begins to gently stay. On a bench in the woods where time moves slow, a hidden place that few may know, you find a calm, a sacred space, held in nature's soft embrace. Leaves whisper low across the ground, branches sway without a sound. Every breath a gentle release. In this moment you find your peace. On a bench in the woods, just breathe it in. Let the quiet wash beneath your skin. All the weight you carried fades away. In nature's arms you choose to stay. Hear the call, soft and true. The world slows down, surrounding you. On a bench, let your worries cease. A simple place, a lasting peace. Hear the water kiss the shore, a lullaby forevermore. Birds take flight with songs so clear, a living chorus you can hear. Feel the sunlight warm your face. Time dissolves without a trace. Let it fill your heart and soul. Let the stillness make you whole. The wind will whisper through the trees, secrets carried on the breeze. A quiet truth, a gentle love flowing through the sky above. Here you're free from all demands, nothing needed in your hands, just the moments, pure and true. The world made soft surrounding you. In the woods, you come alive, where the restless heart begins to thrive. Every worry slowly drifts apart as nature mends your weary heart. Let it hold you, let it mend. A timeless place that has no end. On a bench in the woods you'll always find a quiet home within your mind. Sit and let the world fall still. On the bench it always will.